welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Chris Han. My Instagram is chrishanxoxo. So in today's video, as the holiday is approaching, I want to share with you a holiday-inspired, very festive and dramatic makeup look. As you can see, I already have some products on my face, eyebrows, the foundation, some complexion products, and some lip tint. So I will be focusing on the eye makeup, including eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lashes. I'm very excited to partner with AFU for this video, and this is the product from AFU. It's the eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's a pretty big package. It's rose gold cover. This palette is very pigmented. The colors are pretty bold, pretty colorful. Some shimmering shadows, and some of the shades are like matte. But they're pretty colorful. I think it's perfect for holiday. And this is one of the palettes that I received. I'm going to show you the other two. So here is another product from AFU. Ooh, look at these colors. It's so beautiful. These are like more smoky, and these are like more colorful, shimmery. I love all these colors, and now I'm gonna see how these colors will go with the makeup. Some like matte colors, like these are like very bold red, green, like shimmering gold, shimmering rose gold. So these colors, as you can see, are very beautiful, and I like the package. It looks pretty luxurious for the price you pay. Like, it's good value, I would say. So here is another product. So this one is more like smoky nude. So this blue color is pretty beautiful. Like the other two products, they have some shimmering colors and some like matte. I think this is like a great palette for everyday look, but if you want to do like a little bit smoky, and these colors will be perfect. So in total, I received 3 products from AFU. So I will be mostly using the rose gold palette, the big one, and see how it goes. So I'm going to use the eyeshadow primer first. This one is from Decay. It's one of those very classic primers for eyeshadow, and just to make sure like all the colors pop more, primer is something that's very essential. Okay, so for the primer, I am just going to use my fingers to dab the products onto the eyelids. The texture of this product is actually pretty creamy. So this primer is very nice for highly pigmented eyeshadow. So it's a nice preparation for these amazing colors. Let's see. Okay, so the primer is done. So I'll be using this round brush for the base color. So I'm going to use cleansing this color as the base for the entire eyelid. This color looks pretty matte. I think the shade blends well with my own skin color, and it provides like a very nice base for darker colors to come. To go into this hopeful, it's like a brown peachy-ish color, and I'm gonna just use the same brush. So for eyeshadow, I am more like these warm colors than like cool colors like the blue, greenish color. So for holiday inspired look, I will mostly using those warm colors, but of course including some of like the shimmery, glittery colors to spice it up a little bit. But for the groundwork, I think this shade is like a little bit lighter than I expected, but it blends pretty well. It's very buildable. I just like the texture of it. It's like not too loose. You don't see like a lot of powders fall on your face when you apply this product. So the next color is this one, Cute, to add more depth of my eyes. So let's see how it goes. This is the shade Cute. Whoa, this is gorgeous. What do you think? It just adds like a little bit more depth on my eyes and goes like this. And sweep the rest of the product outwards. So I'm gonna go like outwards a little bit more. I think this shade looks more orange-ish to me. So next step, I will be applying like a darker shade. So I'll be applying this Foxy to add more depth onto the outer corner of my eyes. I will be using like a flatter brush with more precise control of the colors with this darker color Foxy. Oh, it's pretty pigmented to me. It does look pretty dark. Oh, it looks more dimensional. With this shade, it's exactly what I would expect for deep color. Wow. So this is Foxy. And next, I'll be applying the shimmering colors, but I'm not sure like how they will look on my skin. So I will be doing like a little bit swatch on this one. So this is Delicacy. So let's see, a little bit brownish. What do you think? This one. This is Delicacy, and this one is Comely. Okay, it's in the lighter shade. So let's see this. This one is more like pearly, pinky-ish to me. What do you think? I'll try this one. This is House. It's still like pretty reflective. So for all these three, I will probably do Galaxy. Okay. So same brush. I'm gonna do as close as 2 eyelashes. Oh, they feel like really smooth, you know what? I really like this one. With the shimmer lighter color on the eyelid, it definitely adds more dimension to the entire eyelid. It's very flirty, this color. So beautiful. Alright. This is, I'm just like slightly pat this color onto the eyelid, onto the eyelids without smudging around the deep colors that I applied before. So this is this. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so beautiful. What do you think? So should I use this one as well? So this, I'm gonna show you. Ooh. So this color was like a lot of shimmer, a lot of shine, in very red. This one is brilliant. It's very Christmassy to me. So for this color, I'll be just using my finger to add a little bit shine onto the... Oh, just has to be like very careful. I think I'm holiday ready with this red shimmer on my eyelid. Large sparkles on my eyes already. What do you think? The nice thing about this product is that when I apply the products, the shimmer and these like loose powders, they're not that loose. I don't think they're falling out on my face at all. So it's pretty like manageable. With working with those bold colors, you really don't want the powder to be too loose to mess up your foundation, your powder on your face. So this is the nice thing about this product. So I'm gonna apply some of the colors on my waterline close to my waterline under my eyes. So let's move on to the bottoms. So for the bottoms, I'll be using an even smaller brush with like very flat round tip. For very precise application. I think to match the upper eyelids, I will be using this Passion and mix a little bit with Foxy. These are like two darker matte colors from this palette. And let's see how it goes. I will be applying calmly this color that I did swatch before to highlight the inner corners a little bit more and use the palette. So I think the eyeshadows are done. It looks very warm, very festive. I'm so happy with these colors. What do you guys think? And I'll move on to the eyeliner and the lashes. Okay, for the eyeliners, I will be using this one from Bobbi Brown, their liquid eyeliner. It's called Long Wear Liquid Liner. So this one has a very long tip, and I think it's pretty easy for application. Do a medium-sized wing. So I'm trying my best to match the other wing. So these are the medium-sized wings that I did with this Bobbi Brown Longwear eyeliner. The long tip does work pretty well with this pigmented color. So for the eyelashes, I will be using something like just pretty thick and pretty long, but it's pretty comfortable to wear. And this is Ardell Demi Wispies, one of those classic ones. And I think a lot of you have tried this one before, and let's see how it works with my whole look. Okay, so I already have the glue on the lash, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. Let's see. does open my eye like a lot. You see the difference? This one and this one. I like these lashes. Look at this. This one with the lash and this one doesn't. It does open my eye like a lot. It does feel like pretty lightweight and pretty comfortable to wear. What do you think? Okay guys, these are my lashes from Ardell and they're pretty comfortable to wear, and it's my favorite drugstore lash brand. Inexpensive and very easy to use. Very accessible actually. You can find this brand in a lot of drugstores in the US. So I think the eye makeup is pretty much done. Eyelash, eyeliner and eyeshadow. I'm pretty happy with the result. It's very dramatic and festive and I really like these colors. So I will be going into my lip color to finish the whole look because I have pretty dramatic eye makeup, so I will be using something like nude, not so prominent for my lips. So this lip crayon is from Clarins. I will be using this color. It's not like a very bold red color. I just want my eyes to pop out more, so the lip color should be something like more nude and less prominent. So this Clarins Joli Rouge Crayon should be a great option for this look. Let's see how it looks like on my lips. I think the crayon, the tip is pretty small. It's nice for accurate application. It feels pretty moisturizing on the skin. Alright, so this one is not so matte. It's more like the silky, like the sheer coverage, I would say. The pigmentation is like medium. I can still see a little bit of my own lip color, but I think it's the right amount of color that I need for the lip of this look. And it feels like very smooth on the lip, very moisturizing. Pretty comfortable. The color is the right amount of redness I want for this entire look. Still, it's to complement the eye makeup, but yeah, I like it. What do you think? And I really like this color, and my shade is Soft Berry 705C. So this is from Clarins. So I think I just finished the look with this lip color. I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? I probably should do more holiday look like this. I haven't been wearing like dramatic eye makeup for a while. I think this is a nice look that I would actually wear it for holiday occasions. Okay, so this is the makeup look. I used products from AFU for the eyeshadow, Bobbi brown eyeliner, and Urban Decay eye primer. And the lashes from Ardell, and I finished it with the lip color, lip crayon from Clarins. So this is the look, and I don't think I have ever tried something like this before on this channel, and it's something like really exciting, really holiday inspired. I like how it turned out. And AFU products are available on Amazon. So I linked AFU, those eyeshadow palettes in the description down below, as well as other products that I mentioned in this video. If you have any questions, you can use the comment box down below or DM me on Instagram at chrishanxoxo, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!